Hello and welcome back. In the previous section, we learned about the most interesting topic in Excel, what-if analysis. And now in this section, we are going to learn about the linear regression. So, let's begin. Regression is a statistical method used to determine the strength and character of the relationship between one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Regression analysis produces a regression equation where the coefficients represent the relationship between each independent variable and the dependent variable. Our main concern is on linear regression, that refers to the model which is completely made up of linear variables. Let's say we have y as a dependent variable and x as an independent variable. So the linear regression equation is of the form y is equal to a plus bx, where a is the intercept, that is the value of y, when x equals to 0, and b is the slope of the line. If the slope of the line is positive, then there is a positive relationship between two variables. And if the slope of the line is negative, that means there is a negative relationship between the two variables. So this is all about the linear regression. And now in this lecture, we are going to perform linear regression in Excel. So let's begin. We have the data of some of the employees whose years of experience and salary is given, where salary is dependent on the years of experience. So we would find out the linear regression equation on this data. We already know from the last lecture that the linear regression equation is of the form y is equal to a plus b x. So first, we would create the scatter plot between the two variables. For that, select the entire data and select the scatter plot option. And this created a scatter plot between the two. Now that the scatter plot is created, we would draw the linear regression line by going to chart layouts. Now this has created a linear regression line. We can change the axis titles. The x-axis is for years of experience and y-axis is for salary. We also change the title of the graph, say linear regression. After that, notice the linear regression equation that we have got. We have got the slope as 9450 and the intercept as 25792. This means that even if a candidate is having a 0 years of experience, the candidate would get at least the salary equal to the intercept of the line. So this is how we perform linear regression in Excel. I hope you find this interesting. Excel has a lot more functionality than this, and we would explore more in the future. Keep learning.